So here we are in Silhouette Studio. I'm going to change my page because I'm going to print this on a 8.5 by 11 inch cardstock paper. So I will go to the page setup right here in the corner, and I will change my media. That's the white part. That's your page. I'm going to change my media to 8.5 by 11. Okay. And I'll keep it on landscape orientation, just like here you see it here, orientation, landscape. This is portrait, but I want to do it in landscape, so I change it here, right here. I want my ornament to be like 3 inch like that. So I'm going to go to my shape box here, and I'll choose the circle, like the perfect circle, create it, and then I'll turn it to pet, convert it to pet right here. And because it's locked, if yours is not locked, you should lock it right here. And then change the size to 3 and hit enter. Okay, here it is. Now I'm going to make this smaller so that it can fit in it. Okay, I will select it too. I lock it, keep it locked. I'll go to the bigger side, the side with the bigger measurement, the bigger number, and I will put in, let's say 275. Yeah, hit enter. And now I'm going to fit it in. Let's see how. If you want, you can align it, like select both and align it with here with the alignment tool to get it in the middle like this. Let's go back. I'm going to zoom in. I'll move it a little bit to this side right here. Okay. Bring it a little bit down. Okay, I think it's good here. Let me see if I can add a hole to it. Convert it to pet. See, I can place it here. Let me try to align it with this one. I'm going to select both here, and then I'm going to align it with this one. I don't want it to reach the image, so I'm going to bring the image a little bit down. Okay. If you don't make the hole on it, you have to do it with a perforator yourself. Okay. I mean by hand. Now I'm going to group it. I think I still need to bring this a little bit down. Okay. Let me check how it will be over here before I cut it. Send. And we select this one. Okay, let me go. I will select this one with this one, and then I will do, how do you call it? I'll make it compound. So let me check it again, how it will come out when I cut it. Okay, it will come out really well. Okay, so I will select both, group everything together, and then we'll go back to page setup, go to registration marks, turn them on. Okay, go back to line page setup right here and show cut border. Okay, and go back to registration marks and check your registration marks. Normally they are on 0.625. Okay, but if you want a bigger space here to add more images, you can bring it down, decrease it. It goes to 0.394. I think this is the lowest it can go. So I'll place mine here. Never place your image like this, or it won't cut um outside of the cutting border. Bring it here. I'll duplicate it and bring one down here. Okay, duplicate and bring one down here. Okay, and I'll make one more copy and I'll bring it over here and I'll ungroup it and remove the image out of it. I'll put this here to for the middle part. Duplicate it again and put the other one here. Always make sure that your images don't meet, or it won't cut, or it will cut into to each other. If you have it like so, even if it's like so, it will cause problems. So I have them here. I'm going to select all. Okay, I need to move this a little bit to the side. I'm going to select them all and go to send. And for stickers, you need to select this cut edge. Never select this. Look what will happen. You do not want to cut into the image. You want to cut over the edge. You want to cut the edge only. And to be able to cut the small circle inside of the big one, you have to make them compound. Okay. Oh, so this is my cut settings. I'm using the black one, the rigid blade, the 2 mm, and I'm cutting it on 8 blade depth, force 33, speed 1, and passes 1. So I will cut one time. It will cut only one pass one time, and the speed will be on 1. The force to cut through this cardstock is 33, and the depth of the blade is 8. Okay, this is my cut settings for the 65-pound cardstock. Okay, let's go back here. This right here, you're going to print. When you print, only those black lines, this black square right here, and this one here, and this one here, only those will show. The rest won't show. And the images will show, but the red lines won't show. Okay, let's go there. I'm going to print this, and then we're going to cut them. So here we are printed out. I printed out on a 65-pound cardstock, and I'm using the Astro Brights from Walmart. 65 pounds cardstock. And I'm going to align this on my mat. And I'm gonna stick it with tape because my mat is no longer sticky. Look, I aligned it exactly with the mat right there. Your paper should be aligned with the mat in the corner, also down here, okay, and also on the other side. Align it really well, just like it's in a computer. Okay, so that it can cut well, so that the machine can read the registration marks and know exactly where to start cutting. Okay, I'm going to load my paper in, my mat in. Always align it with the rollers right there. Okay, and on the line, the small line you see there with the two triangles, the two arrows there, your mat should be a little bit on top of them on the both sides of the roller, and then feed it in. Okay, here is my work. I'm going to select everything, and then choose my cut profile. I'll select everything. I go to send. Okay, and then I'll choose cut edge. Always use cut edge when you're doing print and cut. Okay, and then this is my cut settings right here, and I'm waiting for my machine to be available. Okay, I will start cutting now. You see, I'm using the black rigid blade for this cardstock. You can also use the um, auto blade, but I don't know where mine is. I think it fell under the table. So I'm using this one, and I tried another cardstock, but it didn't work well. I got it from Michaels, but it was not good. It was like cutting wood with a very It's like cutting wood with a very bad knife. Okay, look, they came out really well. I'm taking them out, and then I'm going to show you how to put them together to form the ornament that we are creating. So here are my cutouts. I've cut all the pieces out, and we are going to assemble them. This will be cute. I'm using this glue, the Elmer's glue, like the school glue, and I'm going to add glue on the blank one. Not too much glue, but sufficient glue to hold the other part. So I'm going to add some glue to it, and then I'm going to put the one with the image. I'm going to glue it to it. I'm aligning it first with the hole, like the hole that we cut into it, the punch hole right there. I'm aligning the upper one with the one beneath, the lower one with I align the hole. That's where I'm paying attention to, because that's where I'm going to put the ribbon. So I align it with the hole and tape it and paste it together. Glue it together. Okay, now I'm going to add glue to this side also. Like I said, I'm using the Elmer's glue, the white one. You put sufficient glue for the paper, not too much because it will be messy, but like a thin layer. And then I'm going to align it again with the hole right there. First with the hole to make it a perfect circle right there, and then I'm going to do it by hand. Squeeze it in there and make sure the paper aligned really well on the sides. And then we leave it to dry. This is the first one. If you want, you can add two pieces in the middle, like the blank pieces. You can add more to make it heavier, to give it a heavier weight. But I like this like that with the one layer. So I'm going to do the same thing with the other side. Add some glue on the white part, and then align the upper part with the picture. Align it by the hole, at the hole right there. Align it first. Yeah. And then lining. And now I'm going to put glue for the other side too, just like we did with the first one. They will come out cute. Really, really cute. And I will create some for my kids and put their faces on them and hang them in our home. These are cute. You can make these for any occasions. You can make birthday ones, Mother Day, Father's Day. You can create them as gift tags with picture and decorations on them. Okay, so we have them here. I will add these ribbons to them. You can get this ribbon from Walmart also, like a golden ribbon. There are different colors. You can also get red, but I wanted to add a gold to them. Okay, and they came out really cute. And they are not flimsy. They are really not flimsy. Look at that. They came out really cute. They are not flimsy. They have a weight to them. If you want them to be heavier, you can add more cardstock in between them, and they will be a little bit heavier. Look at that. I love them. I love them. I love them. I will be teaching a class on how to design it, to make the design and everything. And that's all AI and Silhouette Studio right there. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe and to click on the notification bell to be notified every time I upload another video. Thank you so much and have a great day.